Welcome to Brain Vision.
We first analyze the uncompensated system and determine the location of the dominant second order poles. So from here we get that the damping ratio is given as 0.174, and it is represented by a radial line drawn from S plane, which is at 100.02 degrees Celsius. Okay, now to find the dominant plane at 0.694 plus minus of G of 3.926 for a gain of K, which is of 164.6. So now look at the third pole on the root locus beyond -10 on the real axis. So we can say that the K at 164.6, we find the third pole is approximately at minus of 11.61. The gain yield is equal to 8.23. Hence the steady state error would be E of infinity would be equal to 1 of 1 plus Kp, which would be equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 8.23, which would be equal to 0.108. Okay, so adding an ideal integral compensation, so Gc of S would be equal to K1 plus K2 divided by S, which would be equal to K1 of S plus K2 divided by K1 whole divided by S. Okay, so the figure would look something like this would be an RS, the positive and negative, going to the K1, then there would be a proportional P over here. Over here we would have K2 divided by S. This would be integral I from here it will go to the plant GS which is going straight away CS, and from over here there would be a linkage. So this would be our final diagram. I hope this is clear to all of you. Thank you.